Cold shoulder, what I give her, she must think I'm Sub-Zero, how I conjure blizzards, I got thick skin like a dragon, I'm a lizard, yeah. I call up my Zos to put some spells on you, they wizards, yeah. Face it, you niggas snowflakes, ayy. So get up on my way. Y'all move like y'all on segways. My hoe speaking that Francais, serving me that souffle. I speak, they all say touche. I'm from the shadows, ombre. Okay, I don't ask my ops for addies either, Crack open that laptop, get the intel, then I leak it, Put the fear up in the nigga, so what was he thinking, What made him think he could double cross me and keep breathing, yeah. Phone steady beeping, it keep ringing, ring. Yeah, niggas will kill their homies for some money, cha-ching. I'm the legendary Super Saiyan Broly. It don't take too much to see that I'm not holy. My women submissive, they just lit me right up. I roll that roller, put you straight to sleep, wake up at Starbucks. My concentration unbreakable, can't fuck up my focus. These presidents can't do the job right, guess I'll be the POTUS. I be so grounded, I can't even slip on black ice at nights. I wonder how my IQ got to be so damn high. I wake up in the morning, thankful for another sunrise. I just carry on being myself, I don't need no disguise. Cold shoulder, what I give her, she must think I'm Sub-Zero, how I conjure blizzards, I got thick skin like a dragon, I'm a lizard, yeah. I call up my Zos to put some spells on you, they wizards, yeah.